I'm Jono, the General Manager of Geology for Brightstar Resources. We're here in Sandstone actively drilling to infill and extend our resources for future development. Sandstone has an extensive history of mining in the area, with the earliest discovery in the region dating back to 1894. There are numerous discoveries close to the modern-day township recording in the period prior to World War I, with a total production nearing 1 million ounces of gold mined in that era alone. With previous operations in the modern era not having the economies of scale, the last mining in the area ceased in 2010. With over 1.5 million ounces of gold in resources already in our inventory, Brightstar is looking to bring back mining to the district in a meaningful and economic manner, leveraging off our success further east at Menzies and Laverton. With the recent addition of the Alto tenure, we're beginning by building on their work at the Alpha domain, following on from 7 years of continued drilling, totaling over 120,000 meters across the various deposits. With over 800,000 ounces of optimized pit-constrained resources using a 2,500 Aussie gold price, these resources may provide baseload feed for processing at a central facility in Sandstone. With most of the resources open at depth and showing great continuity and underground potential below the pit shells, Brightstar believes we're really only scratching the surface. Drilling is ongoing at the Sandstone Hub, with an RC program underway and diamond and air-core programs being planned. Our understanding of the mineralisation styles at the deposits is being enhanced with every metre we drill, and our experience from elsewhere in the eastern goldfields has been essential in bringing a fresh approach to exploration around sandstone. The ability to compare our geological knowledge across the consolidated Sandstone district is already beginning to highlight new areas of prospectivity across the project, as well as our current operations further to the east. With access to our new datasets, the Brightstar Geology team is actively refining our exploration models, and we look forward to 2025 being a huge year of discovery for the company across all of our projects, over 130 years on from the first gold discovery in the region.